Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply filters to your GIF on the GIF Maker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the create button down below, which is the first option, and then click on photo to GIF. Then tap on the pictures you want to use and click on the next button in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the third option down below, which is the filter button, and here you can select from a bunch of categories down below, such as classic, black and white, pop, vintage, beauty, and so on. So click on the relevant category, and within that particular category that you have chosen, you can find a bunch of filters that you can apply to your GIF. So just simply click on the relevant one, and here you can choose how it looks like. Try out the other options as well. As you can see, many of them are logged, which is indicated by this lock image in the upper right corner of the box. So you need to purchase the premium membership in order to use those functions and unlock them so that you can apply them to your GIF. If you have selected the relevant one, just simply tap on the picture or the GIF, and then you will be able to save it by clicking on this button in the upper right corner of the screen and then click on save. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.